TS multi-TI base enables digital implant restorations for edentulous patients. Using the TI base with a multi-abutment and multi-angled abutment enables creating a single-unit prosthesis even in an edentulous case. Using a multi-scan body, the surgeon can select from a dedicated library to 2 digital scanning options, TI base, long or short. To ensure a proper fit and eliminate any possible errors, the prosthesis must be seated in the mouth before being cemented onto the TI base. Try our simple and accurate TS multi-TI base.